Vanakkam, Sunita here for Bastram, and this is very interesting Banarasis here. These are kind of semi-kind, and these days Banarasis come in all possible beautiful ways for people who would love to wear them, because Banarasis weren't for everyone. That was only for the top class community. Now people have wanted it to be worn with the same style of the pure silk. The semis have been made, and trust me, I've been working in the field for 8 years now, and it's really difficult for us to make out at a long side that it's a pure or semi. This is also one such collections, very classy done semi Banarasis, priced at 4,500. This sari will be uploaded in the website. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡಿ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೂ. This will be uploaded in the website. Buying through the website, you get some credit points from January on. So do start, practicing buying Vastram products from the website itself. Links will also be provided. The short URLs for the website will be provided for you. You can click on the link and buy those products, because once you might have to spend 2-3 minutes extra pinning in your datas for us, and that's there for life. Next time when you go in, it just opens up doors for you as easy as 2 minutes. You can just buy the products and happily enjoy shopping with us. So this is the Banarasi collection, which is semi in nature. Let's open up the sari to understand. 4,500 is the price of this pretty antique zari woven Banarasi sari. That is the border over here in maroon color, the red color pallu. Let me go a bit farther, then you can really understand how pretty this is. That's the entire sari. Didn't I say you? It's so much like a Georgette, Kaddi Georgette in blue, but this is a black and red combination, maroon border. Black alva. Yeah, it's a black sari. From long, I can make it see it as blue, but this is black definitely. A plain red color blouse border. Let me check if it's border. Yeah, border is there. It's a black sari with red blouse. Antique zari woven, closely woven buttas all throughout. Very rich and heavy Banarasi kind this is. So that's 4,500 for you. Black again. This camera is capturing it to be blue, but this is black and red combination. 4,500. Pretty collections of semi Banarasis from Vastram. Next collection is going to be pink and a magenta, which is also another Kaddi Georgette feel I can get. Generally Kaddi Georgettes are 8,000, 10,000 range, but this is just 4,500, and you will never miss the feel of an original product. This is also a katan, semi katan this is. So there is a takeover of the katan's feel as well. So that's the blouse in blue. A pink is, and let me show the back side portion. The finish is very prettily done. Nothing to worry about the back weaving of a particular sari, of this particular sari. Double-sided border is another interesting thing to have. And that is the entire sari for you. The antique zari nature is something very to be sincerely to be noticed, and that is the sari number 2, 4,500. We are trying our best to give you varieties. Hope you are enjoying. Let us know. This is red and purple, beautiful again. All our collections are gorgeous. That's how we are there in the market. We've been recognized worldwide and throughout the Indian community, pan-India. We have been known because of your love and the collection that we give to you. That is the sari in total. That's a blue color blouse. So that is the border for the blouse as such. And wow, that's a backside portion, double side border. Gorgeous enough to be a wedding collection, guys. Trust me, very pretty. Yeah. The buttas are also, it's the antique zari woven. They're not flashy kind. They're so subtle as well as grand, and an evening party wear for sure. So that's sari number 3 for you. Now comes sari number 4, which is navy blue. Tapagida counter. Sari number 4 is supposed to be a off-white with red combination. See, all because only then the links will be created. So sorry for that inconvenience. Red, a nice chili red with white is amazing. amazing and very auspicious combination. The blouse is red with border. All the sari borders have all the saris have blouse with border. That's the back portion. The sari opens up to be so beautiful. Yeah, that's a puja kind of sari. All of you will definitely agree with me. That's a puja kind of sari. It's very beautiful and color is very interesting. That's the sari for you in total. See, every eye have a different side. Some look for the beauty, some look for the color combination, some look for the comfort, some look how they are going to look wearing the sari. So every eyes we are trying to satisfy. Hope we are satisfying. This is sari number 5 for you. A dual tonish pink and pink combination. Orange short color body with a nice Rani pink color border. This is also, I'm not able to capture this color here. That's the blouse over there, but the color is very, very elegant, classy. Actually, of all the colors, the short color will make you look very different and gorgeous. Single colors are some, as I told you, every eye search for something. This is for those eyes which are searching this kind of dual tone colors and the border. So at 4-5 you're going to look like whom do I call now for Banarasi? Okay, Deepika Padukone. I was once a fan of her. Now for various reasons I'm not a big ardent fan of her. But she really carries herself. We'll have to admire her for what she's been doing as a person carrying a product. Okay, so that's the last saree of this set of 6. This is the 6th saree, navy blue with pink combination, and that is the border for the blouse, and the bootas are very closely done. I'm going to repeat the same thing. Everything is pretty. The way we are going to carry it and the way the eyes is looking for it. Some would be searching for the combination. Suddenly you strike upon this and you feel you are done for everything. And that is the sari. This is also another collection that is going to be very interesting. And when worn, you're going to look very, very gorgeous in the Indian attire, which is never failing, picking up its phase and craze all throughout the globe. And definitely this one is going to be your choice. You're also going to rock the show. Then that's it, 4,500. Hope you like our descriptions. I'm trying to be keeping you most engaged with my talking as well, but I sometime fumble. I'm sorry about that. This is the set 4-5. Buy it to the website and start earning your points.